Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.14 and a momentum of minus 0.29. What's striking is how this sentiment has dipped sharply below our historical baseline, indicating that there's a notable shift in market perception. With 18 semantic clusters in play, you're seeing a complex landscape of sentiment that can provide critical insights into market dynamics. Our API returns a detailed analysis of market sentiment and momentum, giving you the tools you need to make informed decisions. For example, you could leverage this data to adjust your trading strategies in real time, capitalizing on shifts before they become mainstream. To dive deeper and see how this can power your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.